In this screencast, we're going to show how to publish a survey and get a link that you can send out to participants in your survey. Once you log into Qualtrics and you have your survey open, if you do a preview, that will allow you to preview and look at your survey. You do have in the preview a mobile view on or off that's located in the upper right corner. And you also have a tools where if you have validation, you can ignore that validation. So if you're skip logic and you don't want them, you want to see all the questions, you can ignore any validation you have. That also works if you have any required questions that a participant needs to fill out. It will ignore that requirement so you can truly look at your survey. If I go back to edit mode, I've looked and tested my survey and it looks great. So now I'm ready to hit publish. So go ahead and click publish in the upper right corner. And then you have to click publish again to publish the survey. Now that the survey is published, if I go in and make any change, if I spell something wrong, if I fix a formatting issue, I have to republish it again in order for participants to see those changes. When I'm ready to distribute it, I can come up here to the upper left corner and I can click distributions. And there are a couple different ways that you can distribute the survey. But since you're doing the survey for IRB, the easiest way would be to choose anonymous link. And when you click anonymous link, it gives you a link that you can copy. And if you open a new tab in a browser, this would be the link that I would send to my participants. So if I want to test it, if I choose no and hit next, it ends the survey, which is what I want it to do. If I repaste the link, I'm starting over. I can try it again and click yes and hit next. It takes me to my other questions. I can hit next. And then it tells me to hit submit. I hit submit and my survey is over. So your anonymous link is what you would want to send out. If you were sending this to faculty, staff, or students and you wanted to personalize the email, you would choose emails instead, and it would allow you to compose a message through Qualtrics, and each participant would get a unique link. But since we're doing the survey for IRB, we want to choose anonymous link. So that way it doesn't collect any data. We've already removed those options from our survey. Qualtrics has other features such as a QR code that links straight to your survey that you can download. It also has personal links you can set up, or if you're using social media, ways that you can share it that way as well. For more information on other Qualtrics tips or tricks, check out our website at ctl.center.edu.